Stevns Klint, a cliff of tales. Denmark, a land of fairy tales and Vikings, also holds a treasure trove of natural wonders. Among these wonders, Stevns Klint stands out not just for its beauty, but for the stories it holds within its ancient layers. Along its eastern coast, a dramatic white cliff rises from the sea. This cliff, known as Stevns Klint, is a geological marvel that has fascinated scientists and visitors alike for generations. This is Stevns Klint, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Recognized for its outstanding universal value, it offers a unique glimpse into Earth's distant past. More than just a pretty sight, Stevns Klint tells a dramatic story. Its layers of chalk and limestone are like pages in a book, each one revealing a chapter of Earth's history. It whispers tales of ancient seas, mass extinctions, and the power of nature. The cliff's formation dates back to the Cretaceous-Paleogene boundary, a time marked by one of the most significant mass extinctions in Earth's history. The cliff stretches for 15 kilometers, its white chalk face a stark contrast against the blue sky and water. This extensive stretch of coastline is not only a visual spectacle but also a scientific treasure trove. Formed millions of years ago, Stevns Klint is a time capsule. Its layers of rock and embedded fossils provide invaluable insights into the Earth's geological and biological history. It holds secrets of Earth's past, hidden within its layers of rock and fossils. These fossils, remnants of ancient marine life, tell stories of a world long gone. Each layer is a page in Earth's history book, waiting to be read. From the tiny fossils of marine creatures to the larger geological formations, Stevns Klint is a testament to the ever-changing nature of our planet. Layers of time unveiling Earth's history. Stevns Klint is a geologist's dream. Its layers of rock offer a glimpse into millions of years of Earth's history. The lower layers are made of chalk, formed from the skeletons of tiny marine creatures. These creatures lived in a warm, shallow sea that covered Denmark millions of years ago. Above the chalk, a thin, dark layer tells a different story. This is the fish clay. It marks a catastrophic event in Earth's history, the Chicxulub asteroid impact. This impact wiped out the dinosaurs and caused widespread extinctions. The fish clay contains high levels of iridium, an element rare on Earth but common in asteroids. A World Heritage Treasure, preserving the past. In 2014, UNESCO recognized Stevns Klint's global significance. It was designated a World Heritage Site, joining the ranks of the Grand Canyon and the Great Barrier Reef. This recognition highlights the cliff's importance in understanding Earth's history. The site is not only scientifically significant but also visually stunning. The contrast between the white chalk, the dark fish clay, and the blue sea creates a striking landscape. Visitors can walk along the cliff top, enjoying panoramic views. They can also explore the nearby beaches, searching for fossils. Born from catastrophe, the fish clay, and the asteroid. This chapter delves into the dramatic events that shaped our planet millions of years ago. The fish clay layer at Stevns Klint is more than just a geological curiosity. It represents a boundary in Earth's history, marking the end of the Cretaceous period and the beginning of the Paleogene period. It is a stark reminder of the power of nature. The dramatic cliffs of Stevns Klint stand as silent witnesses to the cataclysmic events that unfolded here. The asteroid impact that created the fish clay had a devastating impact on life on Earth. This colossal asteroid, estimated to be about 10 kilometers in diameter, struck with unimaginable force. It wiped out the dinosaurs and caused widespread environmental changes. The impact led to the extinction of approximately 75% of Earth's species, including the mighty dinosaurs. The impact triggered massive earthquakes and tsunamis. These seismic events reshaped the landscape, creating new geological formations and altering existing ones. It also released huge amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere. This debris spread across the globe, blocking sunlight and causing a dramatic drop in temperatures. This blocked out the sun, causing global cooling and disrupting ecosystems. The lack of sunlight led to a collapse in photosynthesis, affecting the entire food chain. The fish clay is a testament to this catastrophic event. It contains high levels of iridium, a rare element on Earth but common in asteroids, providing evidence of the impact. It shows how even the most powerful creatures can be wiped out by forces beyond their control. The story of the fish clay and the asteroid is a humbling reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the ever-present potential for sudden, dramatic change. Section 5 Fossils of Stevns Klint, Glimpses of a Lost World. Stevns Klint is not just a record of Earth's history, it is also a window into its past ecosystems. This UNESCO World Heritage site, located on the eastern coast of Denmark, stretches for about 15 kilometers and stands as a testament to the dramatic events that shaped our planet. The cliffs are composed of layers of chalk and limestone, which were deposited over millions of years. These layers tell a story of ancient seas teeming with life, long before humans walked the earth. The cliffs layers are rich in fossils, providing a glimpse of the creatures that once lived in the ancient seas. Each layer represents a different period in Earth's history, capturing a snapshot of the marine life that existed at that time. From tiny microorganisms to larger marine animals, the fossils found here are incredibly diverse and well preserved. The chalk layers are filled with the remains of microscopic marine organisms, such as coccolithophores and foraminifera. These tiny creatures played a crucial role in the marine ecosystem, forming the base of the food chain. Their remains accumulated on the seafloor over millions of years, eventually forming the thick chalk deposits we see today. The fish clay layer contains the fossils of fish that died during the asteroid impact. This thin, dark layer marks the boundary between the Cretaceous and Paleogene periods, a time of mass extinction when the dinosaurs and many other species vanished. The fish clay is rich in iridium, a rare element that is abundant in asteroids, providing strong evidence for the impact hypothesis. These fossils are remarkably well preserved, providing valuable information about the impact's effects on marine life. By studying these fossils, scientists can learn about the environmental changes that occurred after the impact, such as shifts in ocean temperature and chemistry. This research helps us understand how life on Earth has responded to past climate changes and can inform predictions about future changes. Other fossils found at Stevns Klint include sea urchins, brachiopods, and even the occasional mosasaur tooth, painting a vivid picture of a lost world. These fossils provide a window into the diversity of life that once thrived in the ancient seas. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of Earth's history, helping us to understand the complex interplay of life and environment over geological time. Section 6. The Stevns Klint Experience. Beyond the Science. Visiting Stevns Klint is more than just a geological field trip. It is an immersive experience that engages all the senses. The sight of the towering white cliffs is breathtaking. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore is both soothing and awe-inspiring. Visitors can explore the clifftop on foot, following the well-maintained trails. They can also descend to the beach below, where they can search for fossils and marvel at the cliff's immensity from a different perspective. The nearby Stevns Klint Experience Center offers interactive exhibits that bring the cliff's history to life. Section 7. Cold War Legacy, a fortress frozen in time. Stevns Klint's significance goes beyond geology and paleontology. During the Cold War, the cliff served as a strategic military location. A Cold War fortress, built into the cliff itself, stands as a reminder of this tense period in history. Hidden within the cliff, this fortress housed cannons, control rooms, and a network of tunnels. Today, the fortress is open to the public, offering a chilling glimpse into the Cold War era. Visitors can explore the fortress's underground chambers, see the weapons that were once ready to be deployed, and learn about Denmark's role in the global conflict. Section 8. Exploring the Surroundings. A Tapestry of Nature and Culture. Stevns Klint is not an isolated wonder. It is situated in a region rich in natural beauty and cultural heritage. The surrounding countryside is dotted with picturesque villages, charming churches, and rolling farmland. Visitors can explore the area by bike, car, or on foot, discovering hidden gems along the way. Nearby attractions include the medieval Hogerup Old Church, perched precariously on the cliff edge. The Geo-Museum Fax, showcasing fossils from the area, offers another fascinating glimpse into the region's geological past. From ancient burial mounds to modern art galleries, the Stevns Klint region offers something for everyone. Section 9. Stevns Klint Beckons, a journey through time awaits. Stevns Klint is more than just a cliff, it is a testament to the power of nature, a record of Earth's history, and a window into a lost world. Its white cliffs hold stories of ancient seas, catastrophic events, and the resilience of life. Whether you are a geology enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a lover of natural beauty, Stevns Klint is a destination that will leave a lasting impression. So plan your journey to Stevns Klint and embark on an unforgettable adventure through time. Walk in the footsteps of dinosaurs, explore a Cold War fortress, and marvel at the wonders of our planet's history.